Hi everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Okay, all the black-eyed Susans are in, but now I'm going to work on some containers. This area, which is very messy, is actually the summer kitchen area. This building has a refrigerator, a stove, everything, and it's just a beautiful place. Not right now. What I want to do, because we're done with the frost and the temperatures are going to stay up, I'm going to plant some of the flowers in the containers. So I thought about using this here, but over here I have 3 of these. I have planted white impatiens in here. Sometimes you only need one thing with an evergreen. So, gotta move it around. What I'm gonna do is put some creepy Jenning and some impatiens. And then over here, I'm gonna put the polka dot plant here, and then impatiens over there. So basically all you need to do, I do nature's care. So I'm gonna sprinkle some in. And I have a lot of compost in here. So this is a very fertile area. But now we have to do some fun facts. Okay, the money wort is what it's called, is known in England as twopence because of the flowers. Not the flowers, the leaves. It looks like money. No, I'm just gonna, let me think. Maybe go here. Creeping Jenning is a perennial and it will just spread everywhere. I hope it does. Okay. It's a wonderful plant. It takes the shade and the sun, and I'll show you, I'll put some pictures of mine, and it's just incredible. Okay, don't overcrowd these. I want these impatiens to grow low. The closer they are, the higher they get. Over here in this bed, I put them really close and they were 2 feet tall. Here, I'm only going to put 4. Okay, there's some interesting facts about the impatient flower. It's native to Africa, but the reason why it's called impatient is because it's so impatient when it produces the seed. The minute the pod opens, it will shoot in the air up to 20 feet. That's how I got the Latin name impatient. One more reason why it's called impatient. This plant starts out as a male plant, and it's so impatient it switches to a female plant later on. I hadn't even heard of that one. It's really interesting. I mean, plants are survivors, literally. Okay, this is not pretty yet. I don't expect it to be. I'm going to plant the other 2, but basically these are going to fill in a little bit and start. They already have little white blooms about to open. These will be magnificent in 3 weeks. So, and this will just cover the whole thing. Okay, this is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm.
Hi.
And my grandson's Stefan. Please like, subscribe.
And subscribe, and don't subscribe anyway, and hit the like button anyway.
Bye. Take 3.